Amidst the buzz of online rumors and leaks, Intel's Core i9 14900KS is anticipated to be the most powerful desktop processor on the market. This special edition CPU boasts an astonishing 6.2 GHz boost clock speed, making it the fastest mainstream CPU ever released by Intel. However, it remains to be seen if this processor lives up to the hype. In this video, we'll delve into the rumored specifications and details surrounding the upcoming Intel Core i9 14900KS. The 14900KS employs a hybrid architecture with 24 cores. Similar to the 14900K, these cores are divided into 8 high-performance cores, designed to handle demanding single-threaded tasks, and 16 energy-efficient cores optimized for multi-threaded workloads. This combination ensures that the processor can handle both resource-intensive applications and multitasking scenarios efficiently. With 32 threads at its disposal, the 14900KS enables seamless multitasking and smooth background processing. The 14900KS truly shines when it comes to clock speeds. It is rumored to have a base clock of 3.2 GHz, similar to the 14900K. However, the real magic lies in its boost clock. Thanks to Intel's thermal velocity boost technology, the 14900KS can reach an astounding 6.2 GHz on up to 3 of its performance cores. This technology dynamically pushes clock speeds beyond the standard limits when there is sufficient thermal headroom. Additionally, Intel's Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 can further boost specific cores for optimal single-threaded workload performance. According to the rumors, the 14900KS might offer a generous 36 MB of Intel Smart Cache, shared across all cores. This large cache is designed to store frequently accessed data, reducing latency and improving overall performance. Like the 14900K, the KS will support both DDR5 memory up to 5600 MTS and DDR4 memory up to 3200 MTS. Faster memory speeds can significantly impact performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks. Things get more interesting when it comes to power consumption. Rumors suggest that the 14900KS might have a significantly higher power draw compared to the 14900K, potentially reaching up to 410 watts. This substantial power requirement necessitates a powerful and efficient cooling solution to maintain stable temperatures and avoid thermal throttling. While the official power specifications haven't been confirmed, users should expect a significant jump in power consumption compared to previous generations. Benchmarking results for the 14900KS have yet to be officially revealed. However, based on leaks and comparisons with the 14900K, we can expect impressive numbers. In single-threaded workloads, the 14900KS's higher boost clock should translate to a slight performance edge over the 14900K in multi-threaded tasks. The performance difference might be less significant due to shared resources like cache and memory bandwidth. Overall, the 14900KS is likely to be the fastest consumer CPU on the market, excelling in both single-threaded and multi-threaded applications. However, users must consider the potential for higher power draw and thermal challenges when deciding whether to upgrade. The 14900KS might be a limited edition CPU, potentially available in smaller quantities compared to the mainstream 14900K. This could lead to higher prices and difficulty in acquiring the processor. The leaked spec sheet didn't include pricing details, but earlier reports suggested that the new KS chip would maintain the same $699 MSRP as its earlier. This indicates that the i9 14900KS won't see a price hike, but it will remain a costly chip nonetheless. The 14900K is already known for its good overclocking headroom. It's expected that the 14900KS, with its higher base clock and potentially unlocked multipliers, might offer even better overclocking capabilities for enthusiasts seeking to push the performance limits. However, keep in mind that overclocking can further increase power consumption and thermal challenges. The Intel Core i9 14900KS will be undeniably a powerful CPU, pushing the boundaries of clock speeds and potentially offering the best performance available for consumers. However, the potential drawbacks like high power draw, thermal challenges, and limited availability need careful consideration. If you are a hardcore gamer or content creator seeking the absolute best performance, regardless of cost and limitations, the 14900KS might be an enticing option. However, for most users, the mainstream 14900K or even the previous generation CPUs might offer a better balance between performance, power efficiency, and affordability. Remember, the 14900KS is still hidden in some mystery and official details, including pricing and availability, are yet to be confirmed. As more information becomes available, a clearer picture will emerge. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.